The topic of my homework was explain how substances move into and out of cells. Luckily, I was also blessed with another simple and easy topic as an assignment before, so let's just jump right into it. Substances move in and out of cells in two different methods, or if you would like to take two different types of transports. Passive transports or passive methods, and active transports or active methods. Passive methods and transports basically requires no energy. It's movement without any requirement of energy from the cell. And the active transports and methods are required energy for movement, basically. It's basically the opposite, vice versa. So in order to get to understand these better, we'll give the examples that apply to these two broad statements. So substances, as we said before, do move in and out of cells through these methods. It's diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. These are the examples to what we've already spoken about before pertaining to passive transport and active transport. So let's see. Okay, diffusion is a type of passive transport, so let me get right into it. Small molecules travel directly through the cell membrane from high concentration to low concentration with no required energy. This is basically simple diffusion. Now, large molecules travel through facilitated diffusion utilizing protein channels from high concentration to low concentration. No energy is required. Both of these are passive transport because there's no energy required. This one is simple diffusion and this one is facilitated diffusion. As you can kind of see right here, it basically just gives a diagram of what I've already said. So this is basically two ways that substances can get into and out of cells. Now, with osmosis, it is the movement of water across the cell membrane. It also does not require any energy, so we know that this is also a passive transport. There are types of different osmotic solutions. So there's hypotonic, isotonic, hypertonic. Hypotonic has a lower solute concentration that's inside the cell. Isotonic is an equilibrium, which means it's basically the same concentrations inside and outside. Hypertonic has a higher solute concentration than inside the cell. A great way to really just know this, you can look at hyper and think higher. If you just, have to really remember or need a tool to help you remember. And hypo, I think lower. I know it kind of sounds weird, but it's an easy way for you to kind of memorize those things. Active transport. Active transport moves molecules and ions through the cell membrane from low concentration to the higher concentration. Now, there is energy required, and so in order to get those molecules carried into and out of the cell, they're using some of the cell's energy in order to complete that task. It's basically the complete opposite of passive transport because you're actually requiring energy from the cell. It's fairly easy, fairly simple, and I don't know an easier way to explain this. This is like the easiest topic I can sit here and get. So that's pretty much it from you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I appreciate the opportunity to do this with you guys. Thank you.